Hello guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is how to bake butter cookies. Kindly subscribe. Let's begin. Ingredients: flour, margarine, sugar, milk, vanilla essence, baking powder, eggs, pinch of salt. In a bowl, add margarine, sugar, and salt, then mix. Add in the eggs, vanilla essence mix. Add in flour, baking powder, and milk mix gradually to form a very thick paste. Take your mixture, add it to your piping bag already set with a nozzle of choice. In your baking tray, type out the cookie paste into desirable shapes. Heat your oven on 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the cookies for 10-15 minutes. Allow them bake till golden brown. Once baked, allow them to cool. Serve them with milk and enjoy.